Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone doing well. It's been a while. I haven't uploaded any videos about my touring. That's due to the ongoing pandemic. Slowly the restrictions being lifted off, we restarted our touring. So this lockdown gave us an opportunity to stay at our hometown for a while. I have been here in Nagarkoil since May. So it's been a 6 months now and we just plan to explore the places which we haven't visited since our childhood days. Today we are going to Olakai Arubi. It's around 20 kilometers from Nagarkoil. So we started around 8 a.m. in the morning so that we can reach there by 9 a.m. and we'll have less crowd and so that we can have a peaceful trekking into the forest and have a good bath in the falls. It took around 1 hour for us to reach this location. So there is a small bridge. Let's climb up and see what is going on there. It should be a channel carrying water. Yes, so we can see a lot like this in Nagarkoil. One great example is Mathur Hanging Bridge. So we just started our trekking. We are crossing a small river. I believe the trekking will be completely mixed of this crossing rivers, climbing the rocks, traveling through the dense bushes. Let's see how it's going to be. So that's the view of the beautiful Western Ghats. So we are going to enter the deep forest. So if you are bringing your family, just stop here, have a look at the beautiful views and have a bath here in the river and just return back just for your safety. So we are just trying to explore much today. We'll try to trek as much as possible and reach a spot where we can have a beautiful bath in the falls. We found a check dam here. Let's go down there and see how it is. Water flow is decent due to a recent rain. If the flow is somewhat higher than this, it will be more beautiful. Only we four people are here. It is completely silent, it is completely peaceful. Just hear the sound of the water flowing down here. It is completely peaceful to us.
இதுக்கு மேல எங்கடா போக முடியும்?
It's time for us now. We need to quickly find a spot where we can have a bath. My friends are still exploring. I think this is looking decent, but still we are expecting more. So we are just planning to climb up there and see if we can find a better place than this. We just came up. Look at this beautiful water flowing down. So from here we are able to see a spot up above there. So we need to find a way how to reach that spot. So we need to put some more effort and reach that spot, and that should be the one we are looking for, I believe. So let's go there and see how it is. Hopefully our trekking will be ending there, and we'll have fun. Keep watching.
ஏய் இந்த பக்கம் ரூட் இருக்காப்பா? நீங்க பாட்டு வர சொல்லிட்டீங்க. ஏம்மா வலிக்குதுடா. ஏய் வர இந்த பிளேஸ் பயங்கர இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருக்குப்பா. அமைதியாக இருக்குது, யாருமே இல்லை, நாங்கள் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கிறோம். என்ன ஏறும் இல்லையா? ஏய் வழுக்குது, எனக்கு கேர்ஃபுல்லாக தான் ஏறும். ஏய் ரிட்டர்ன் போக ரூட்டு தெரியுங்களா? ஆமாம் இதே ரூட்டு தானே, இந்த ரூட்டே வந்தாலும் ஓகே போகலாம். அம்மா முள்ளு பார்த்து வாங்க. நான் இதுக்குள்ள போட்டுங்க. செருப்போட கிரிப்பில் தான் போயிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஏய் வந்துட்டோம். ஏய் இறங்க முடியாது.
Yes guys, after trekking for a while, finally we found the beautiful place. It is looking really nice. It looks well suited for bathing. So that's around 6 feet high. So my friends are trying to reach that spot, and once they reach there they will start to have fun. Yes, they already started to have fun. It's time for me to join with them. I hope you all had a wonderful time. Thank you for watching. Soon I will meet you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye now.